All right, Matt Ryan with AVWeb here with Erik Ledet here at the U.S. National Aerobatics Championships in Salina, Kansas. Erik, could you just tell us a little bit about yourself, what you're flying, what your background is, that kind of thing?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm flying a Pitts S1S. So that's a single-seater Pitts. Back in the 70s, they kind of ruled the aerobatic competition world. Now they're kind of a great budget buy where you can get a lot of performance for relatively few dollars, as long as you fit in the airplane. I'm flying the sportsman category. So it goes primary, sportsman, intermediate, advanced, unlimited. And this airplane is kind of perfect for that category. It has the power. You can get, it's a low-level entry cost to get in. And before attending the nationals, a lot of people start the regional contests. So every IAC chapter around the country has kind of their regional contests. Maybe you're in Minnesota or Iowa. I'm chapter 78, which covers those areas. So you start the regional contest, you make friends, you find somebody to coach you and critique you from the ground. And when you're flying well and want to compete at the national level, you come here.
Nice. And so you have some background, some family background in the sport, right? So kind of what is, how'd you get into it in the first place?
Yeah, so when I was growing up, my dad had a Luscombe and a Pitts, and I'm a triplet, so I have three other brothers. So there was a little competition as far as who's going to get to fly the airplane, and I really wanted to fly my dad's Pitts, and he was a little shaky on the topic of turning me loose with that airplane because it's kind of his baby. So I ended up buying my own. It was actually a project. It had some damage to it from a little ground loop or hard landing, so I repaired it and got it flying just in time for contest season last year. And flew primary at nationals and won that, and now moved up to sportsman, and here I am.
Nice. So what does the season consist of for you?
Yeah, so the season, the big thing with competition aerobatics is you need to get critique. So you need to either go to a contest and fly for the judges and see what they write in the comments, or you need to, even better, find a coach or somebody to watch you and critique your figures. If you can go up in your decathlon and do a perfect loop, and come down at the same altitude, you may think it's perfect, but it may not be round to the judges down below. So that's really what we're looking for.
Nice. Well, thank you so much for taking just a second here. So again, this is Erik with here at the U.S. National Aerobatic Championships. So thanks for chatting. Yeah.
Cool.